This is Chef Habiba. So today I'm going to show you how to use sumac because most people don't know how to use sumac, or they don't know what is sumac is. Sumac is spices. It tastes like sour, salty. So in Middle East, most people use for topping like shawarma or barbecue, or we can make like onion pickles. For onion pickles, I'll come with the recipe. I will do the video how to make onion pickles. But for today, I'm going to show you how to make or how to use sumac for one of my recipes. It's chicken and chickpeas and sumac. So I'm going to show you now. Are you ready? Come on.